Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. We are happy with the progress. We are happy with what we are unveiling, what we are taking out, or what we are sharing to each other. What we need to do is to polish. We just need to polish. We have got a code that is giving us basically it's giving us 3 to 4 numbers. We have got a code that is giving us a bonus, right? Then there is the third code that gives us about 2 numbers. So it's a matter of us polishing this. What happened today, it was something else, right? All right, let's look at this. I think I gave you the code. I said the code 961, right? We had 16, we had 19, 961. Yes, it was for lunchtime. That's how we predicted it. It was for lunchtime. Then this is what he did on tea time. That's what he did on tea time, right? Then the next one, it was 186. The code 186, right? The code 186, it's 18 plus 6 equals to 24. There is 24. Then we have got this other code. This code, it is giving us a bonus all the time. Yes, it gives us a bonus all the time. Then we had 114. The code 114, the first 2 numbers, you take them and add together. 2, 4. And then you have got 24. So I remember I gave you the 24 as well. Then there was the code which I specifically gave you guys 11 and 18. And there is the 11. The 11 came. All our numbers, they came on tea time. All our numbers came on tea time. So basically when they delay like this, then that's when I get a bit confused on how do we go about the next day, right? How do we go about the next day? Because right now, if I show you now, we have got code 1488. Code 1448, it was supposed to be the code for tea time. Then the code for tomorrow lunchtime, it's 1426. From these 2 codes, we are expecting 4 to 5 numbers. 4 to 5 numbers, right? So that's something that confuses on how do we go about with tomorrow, because they would have delayed and now there is a code that has been skipped. All right, 1 minute. I want to show you something quickly. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm sharing. All right, I'm sharing what I see. Okay, this message is in the comment section, right? This message is in the comment section. Ruben is referring to one of our videos in the 12th June 2024. There is something that happened today that is similar to what we had on that video. So if you have got time, please go back and check and see what's going on there, and let's share in the comment section. If it means we are going to play numbers from there, let's do that. Ruben has got something that he has just see from there. All right, let's go back to our prediction. Right, now on here, right, I gave you the 2 codes, right? I gave you the 2 codes. Okay, let me just pull this one up. Right, I gave you the two codes. What are we going to depend on when it comes to tomorrow's draw? Right? On the codes that I gave you guys, there is 1426. The code which they skipped, which was supposed to be for tea time, it's 1488. These two codes, right? That's where there is a bit of confusion on what to do with these two codes. So if we look at the numbers that are there, right, we can see 18 is there. We can see 48 is there. We can see 14. We can see 26 is clear. We have got 46 clear. We have got 42 clear. Yes. 8 is a double digit, so we have got a separate number which is 8, right? So these numbers from this code, basically you can pair them amongst themselves, or you can what do you call this, you can use them as the pairing numbers. You can use them as the pairing numbers. All right, then the code that is giving us a bonus every day, the code that is giving us a bonus every day, we've got code 138. We've got code 138, that is 13, that is 38, right? That is 14, and that is 18. If we say 138, you can say 13, 8, right? And then 13 can be converted to 31, and 13, 1 plus 3, it can be 48. So if we look at these numbers, you see that you have got a lot of numbers that are sitting on the other code, which I gave you, the ones I gave you first. There is 48, there is 14, there is 18, and there is 8. They are all sitting on the first code that I gave you. So meaning to say, on this one, you are left with 30, 31, 13, 38, and 1. Right, that's what you'll be left with. Okay, then the other two codes, it's actually 48. It's 48, and this 48 you can split as 4 and 8. I think we can all now understand that you are able to play 4 or 5 numbers with at least R1 by just experimenting. You can just experiment and pick numbers from the code, and play 4 or 5 numbers out of the blue. You can win. It's doable. It's actually doable, because what we are seeing from the results is we have got the numbers. When we do our strategy of saying code 1, code 2, code 3, and then you put all the numbers down, you can select numbers from code 1, numbers from code 2, and numbers from code 3, and so on, right? So that's exactly what is happening. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna predict much with the two codes that are confusing me, but tomorrow in the comment section or on the community tab, I will concentrate much on that. The one that I'm going to give you now is going to be the 13 bonus, the bonus 8, bonus 38, and also bonus 1. Right. Those are the ones that I'm going to give you for now, right? And then if you are going to pair them, right? If you are going to pair them, please pair them with uh, with 45, 48, right? Pair them with those two numbers as well, so that you are safe as well on that, right? So those are going to be some of your pairs. I remember yesterday I told you that 6 and 9, they are sitting as odd numbers. 6 and 9, they are sitting as odd numbers, right? So do not forget to check on the community tab, not on the community tab, on the hot and cold section. 19 is hot as well. 19 is hot as well. And 23 and 23, they are hot as well, right? So let's now look into the two chords. What are we going to do with the two chords? 4, 2, 6 and 1, 4, 8, 8, which was supposed to be for our tea time results. They used the code 961, this code. So this 961, it gave us 3 numbers from there. Then this code was not used. This one, it was not used. And now this one is supposed to be for our lunch tomorrow. Supposed to be for our lunch. So to be safe, right? To be safe, one needs to look at the numbers that are popular on the two chords. The numbers that are popular on the two chords, that's 14. That's 14. Those numbers are very, very much popular on the two chords. So all the chords, they've got 14, 1 and 4. Right? What else do we need? Right? 48 is predicted on 2 different chords, so we can put 8 as well. We can put 8 as well. Right? What else? 26 is there. 42, yes, 42, yes. So these are my selections from my side. These are my selections. So you can look into it as well, break it your own way, and come up with your own selection that you have, right? And pair it with the bonuses that I've given you. And let's continue booming, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for the support, and thank you so much for the love. Good luck.